You can fit 3 if they're tiny.
Y'all better spin. Oh my god. Oh my god. They're not even going fast. Why is she screaming?
Hooray, hooray, hooray! Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls! We have to stop them before they go over the...
Ready?
Now, let's
You stop! Hold this jet, my trusty man. Oh, Yes, I'll just press all the buttons and see what happens. You don't have any other plans? Well, hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
That's not true. I've seen people get each other with glasses.
Okay.
One of us.
One of us. No, I'm just kidding.
Star Tours 1401, you are cleared for departure. Initiate takeoff sequence.
What? Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
R2-D2, what's going on here? We are not ready for takeoff. The captain isn't on board yet. You know I can't fly this thing. No, neither can you. We need a proper pilot.
Attention. All transports hold for security clearance.
The stormtroopers will be deactivated for sure.
Hold it right there, Captain.
I'm not actually the captain.
We're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen her?
No one on this transport. Here's our patrol. Where are we going? This is madness! Arthur, don't you dare make the jump to lightspeed! Where are we now? The Wookiee planet. Imperial troopers, what are they doing here? I'm afraid you're not really allowed to be there.
Oh my god.
Arthur, hit the brakes! It worked! Not this way, Arthur! I'm sorry! Hang on! The transmission. Now what?
Star Tours. I've been looking for you.
Ahsoka Tano. Greetings.
3PO. R2. You're traveling with a friend of mine that has vital information for the rebellion.
The spy. I knew it.
Head to the rendezvous point I am sending you. Good luck, Star Tours. And may the Force be with you.
Just a moment, Arthur. Let us consider this. Arthur, I don't like the look of this. Yes, I do believe these are Virgo. Virgin are the legendary space whales. Quite extraordinary. And so serene. Oh no!
Star Tours. It's 2 against 1 here. Could use some help.
No, will it ever end?
Nicely done, Star Tours. Appreciate the help.
R2-D2, don't you dare!
Safe travels. Good to see you again, R2.
This team working to one. Welcome back.
We will be landing shortly. I do hope you have enjoyed your flight and watch out! Thank the maker.
That's why.
On behalf of Star Tours, thank you for joining us.
¿Esa la pidió, no? Esa, la Black Squadron Lager.
Yeah, esa. How are your glasses working out, Jumbo? Good?
Como Margarita, digo.
Sí, esa. Dijo que es la mejor.
I also brought water just in case.
Alright, thank you.
Feel nice.
Sure.
Alright, here is the lager.
We should have asked for one too. Oh, I didn't know that's what Roberto
The
got.
hyperdrive, this one looks really nice over the light, like a lava lamp or
Oh,
whatever
yeah?
that is. Oh, that's cool. Oh, yeah. And then 2 more outer rings. So it has our black salt on the side. Here's to the best drink in the galaxy.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, what is this? This is the outer rim. It says Patron, silver tequila, pomegranate liqueur, lime juice, pure cane sugar, topped with exotic food puree and black salt. Why did I use that?
Thank you. También le tomo.
They sent it to me.
¿Cuál? ¿La del azul?
La que tome chico de la de él.
Pues sí.
Se dice que se empeda bien gacho, vamos a ver.
Pero uno no creo. Y luego andamos bien comidos. Pero sí que no. ¿Qué vas a hacer?
Oh, that's strong.
Que la gente pues dice, we never tried it, it's the first time.
You've never tried this one? Which one have you tried before? You don't remember? The ram.
Did you get it?
It's like salt. It's just black salt. I thought it was strong.
Let's try it again.
Cheers.
Salud, salud, salud. Salud.
Salud. Good.
Yeah, pero están perdiendo. Hacen dos modos tan caros.
Oh, man.
¿Sí viste que van a vender a los Celtics? 4 billion, 6 billion? And the guy who's selling it, he bought it for 300 million
Why did
like 20 years ago.
track to your face instead of mine?
Yo le estaba tomando, ¿verdad?
Por eso I was like, oh.
¿Vas a salir?
Es que yo me escondí y
tenía
le
su cámara y captó mi cara y yo le estoy tomando mi cerveza.
le traqueó a ella porque como me perdió. Okay,
Yeah.
La que...
Es como la que agarró mi compadre. La primera. La Black Squadron. Está bien buena. A ver, let me try it. Está bien buena.
This is the Jedi mind trick. It has a lot of ingredients, so I'm just gonna put it here.
No, no está amarga nada.
No está amarga.
Oh, está rica.
Ni
Como
tiene
dijo,
la gas.
dijo mi comadre, se ve que ni tiene gas. Dijo.
Sí.
Wow, literally just tastes like grapefruit.
Esta está rica.
It's good.
That one good?
I don't think I've ever had anything that had blue curacao.
Tiene cabronada buena.